Mama told me I must listen to the champion sound, yeah. Soul Control with DJ Biggs and the Massive and crew. When we're passing through, we play the plate stars, that's brand new. And Massive and crew, we're all dedicating this special song to you. Run it away upon them.
Said I'm gonna tell you a story about Biggs and his mama living together without Dada. Hey, Dada wasn't around to see what's going down, yeah. But as life goes by, Biggs have to get smarter, figure a way how to make some dollar. Slash says I'm right, you know. Biggs, big up yourself. Hey, we still the big bad champion sound, Soul Control. Hey, Lily Pot, Grange Pen. Hey, for the mothers, them, some mama. I will climb the highest mountain for you, yes, to show you deep down inside how much I love you. Sometimes Biggs happy, but most time in blue. When you remember the rough and tough time his cons went through, yeah. Whoa, 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 mama, you know Biggs love you. Give Soul Control some time to see what's next coming true. Miss Con, we love you. We love you. And yes, we adore you. Yes, we do. Hey, Biggs love you. Yeah, we love you. Hey, hey. We love you, yes. Even though Papa left and him gone, Mama there and she still a carry on, yeah. The good works, she there a perform. And when times get rough, she know for all the calm, yeah. Lot of things Mama tell me when we born. Hush with to bed a lot of nights when man a yarn. Even though Papa left and him gone, Mama still there all the time. Hey, Biggs love you. Miss Con, we love you. Hey, we do. Miss Con, we love you. Yeah, love you. Hey, yeah.